I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on Binance. Start by opening the Binance app. In the top left corner, tap the Binance icon. Then tap on the button at the top where your user ID is shown. From there, go to the Security tab. Here, you'll see 6 types of 2FA options, each providing an additional layer of security. So first, we have passkeys or biometrics. So it uses your device's fingerprint or facial recognition features, allowing for quick and secure access. For the second one, you have the option to use an authenticator app. So it generates a time-based code in an app like Google Authenticator or OT, which changes every 30 seconds. And then next, email verification. It sends a one-time code to your registered email address each time you log in. And then you have a password option, a PIN option, and a phone number option. Select the 2FA methods you prefer and follow the prompts to complete the setup.